Okay, I have scoured the internet trying to find a way to replace the door on a Impassa panel. So this one here, the little clip is broken off and it won't stay closed. So if you got a customer out there that wants this door replaced, you guys know it's virtually impossible to replace the door on an Impassa panel. This is molded right in there. You cannot get that off of there. You can order the door. You're not going to be able to get back in there without busting something, but I found a way to do it. Unless you already know how to do this. I mean, I scoured the YouTube, the internet, and everything else on door replacements for an Impassa. You cannot find any information. But I'm going to show you guys how to do it today. Alright, so the first thing you got to do, you got to take the circuit board out. Right here, there's two clips. You just, let's see, grab a screwdriver. You push them forward, and they won't break. They're kind of flexible, and you'll hear it click. And then you lift up on the circuit board, but at the same time, there's a little white tab here in the middle. And let me get my screwdriver under there. And you squeeze the white tab, and that circuit board will come right out. Alright, pop the circuit board to the side. Then you take this plastic, well, it's like a plastic membrane that has all the keypad stuff on it. Take that out. You get yourself a nice soft box. You open the door up. Now, you put your belly on it, and you bend the whole, this whole thing over a nice soft box. And you just keep on going, and then she'll finally pop out. Comes right out. Okay? Now you grab your new door. Let's just pretend this is a new door. I don't have one. You start it by putting it in one side, put it across the soft box, and bend down. And it pops right in. Bang. The new door is on there. All you do is you throw your membrane back in. Put your circuit board back in. It's a little tricky with this siren piece here. Pop it in there. And of course the siren is being held up a little bit. Click, click. Goes back in there. There's your new door. It's on. I challenge anybody to find any of that information on the internet anywhere. But I hope this helps you guys. I'm sure it's going to help you guys, because you can't find the information on this. Before, all you had to, to replace these doors, you've had to take the circuit board out and put a new, put it on a new whole face and everything, or you actually just have to replace the whole Impassa. But that's it. Door replacement for an Impassa. Thanks, guys.